qui?
Hello, I'm Jantu Pieters. I'm studying at Charles University, and introductions to RNA-seq has been very helpful to me and a very interesting, enlightening course to really get the foundation set up for my journey into bioinformatics.
Hello, I'm Bushra Shalha. I'm doing my PhD study in Goethe University of Frankfurt. I joined this workshop and I find it very helpful, useful and informative, and it's a great opportunity for discussion. Thanks for Christos and Stefan, and I'm really inspired to bring this back to work, and above all I find it very well organized. Thank you all for this.
Hello, my name is Selin. I am from Turkey. In here we had a great opportunity. We had hands-on training. It was really great for us to learn several applications to apply.
Okay, now we can start.
Okay, so in principle, yeah, I think the course was good from the status here. We had good exercises. I hope they learned something, and we interested a lot of them for future to also get further courses in cost action, and I think the course was needed from bioinformatics side to simply make them aware for using tools and how to use tools.
It was a great pleasure to teach an international group of 15 students coming from 11 countries. Thanks to Recrop Construction, this group of students have received fundamental knowledge on RNA-seq analysis that we believe that it will really help them to proceed in their PhD studies.